previously on day one of the 5K challenge?
Decline.
Decline? Okay.
It's cancelled because we don't have the product. I'm sorry.
Oh.
How much?
Now I have to go all the way there, man. For just only one? I don't think that's reasonable. So things are sold out.
No, we don't have.
Oh, another school.
You don't have this order?
No,
Yeah.
What the heck is happening today? So many cancels orders. It's not the day, man. It's not my day. It's been slow. Back again. I need to find a scarf to buy one. A sub. Alright. What's the order now? Thank you. Sorry?
Do you have AirPods
No.
at home? One? That goes with Apple, yeah, Apple.
Oh no.
AirPods.
I'm only Android. The AirPods, yeah.
Do you have any friends that have one?
No. Seriously, don't.
Okay, thanks anyways.
No problem. Take care, man.
And you have a camera on you, right?
Yeah, it's for safety, especially riding a bike.
Yes. So, even if you don't have it right now,
Huh?
I wonder if you can help me maybe another day to get me a pair, yeah. Of AirPods, yeah. What if you don't do it? Maybe not today, maybe another day, yeah.
Yeah, maybe another day when I see you. Don't have time, man. Do not have time, man. It's weird. I don't know you like that. Damn it, it's cold. Fuck. So, I don't know if I might be able to reach the 167 target today. The day went really slow, man. Unless there's a miracle happening. We are 115 after this 2 deliveries. Is it 115? Yeah, 115. My both apps are on. DoorDash, I haven't got anything for like half an hour now. It's this building right here. Question, why is to lock the e-bike? I guess we're gonna disobey the law of this area. We're gonna lock it anyways. is this? Which side is this? 522. Anna M. Hello. I have order for Anna. Anna D. Thank you.
And when I feel like this, I'm immortal. 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 Don't be scared. Just double up, don't be
No, I can't do that. Something here. Just finally got this DoorDash order, but it's going the opposite direction from the order I took from UberEats. There's 2 orders I took from UberEats.
Gadget
Yeah.
for the hand. Thank you.
Take care,
Where
man.
do you get this?
Amazon.
Amazon. Okay.
Yeah.
What is it called? Like wrist.
Yeah, wrist. Yeah, just type phone wrist.
Okay.
Yeah, it will display.
How much was this?
It was like $15.
Oh, it's damn good. I think I'll get that.
Yeah.
Thank
Very
you.
helpful. You too. Good week. Thank you. Hey, you get a good locker because this is unsafe here.
Yeah, I lost the other one.
Yeah. Oh, okay. If you're going upstairs and then
No, when I go upstairs, what I do, I take it into the building.
uh-huh.
I just lift it in my hand.
That's nice. Yeah.
What are these gloves like? So they just fit onto the thing?
This one?
Yeah, this.
For this one, you mean?
I'll
fit?
not get it for this one.
I think you can. Yeah, I think you can. I saw someone doing it on this one of these. Yeah.
Okay.
But this one, my friend gave me as a gift. So
Oh, okay. This is a cool one.
Yeah.
Today is a little dull, right? It's not very busy
yeah,
on the app.
business is like,
Nah. How does it get in the winter?
it's more demanding.
It's more in the winter?
Yeah, because people are lazy. People don't want to go out, so
Yeah.
you're gonna have like orders consistently.
All right. Nice meeting you.
Yeah.
Take care.
Take care. Oh, the press is coming down. Thank you. Slow. Yeah, very slow. I might take off after this. You too, take care. Hey. No problem. Take care.
Good night.
You too. Press them. Thank you. Let's just cross the street. Hi. I got a pickup for Sunday.
Let me check you.
Okay. Cool. Thank you.
Could you check the name again, please?
Yeah, Sunday B.
Okay.
Thank you. Me too. Thank you. This one.
Sex, drugs, cocaine.
Hello. They told me I can leave at the lobby. Just here. Thank you. Have a good night. DoorDash. It's $5. UberEats. Not good.